Hey everyone! Are you tired of paying for expensive video editing software? Look no further, because today I'm going to show you how to get Camtasia for free, and not just for a trial period, but for a lifetime. If you want to stay updated with the latest tech tutorials and reviews, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That's right, you'll be able to create professional-looking videos without breaking the bank. But that's not all. I'll also be showing you how to download and install Camtasia, so you can start editing your videos right away. So, whether you're a YouTuber, a content creator, or just someone who loves to make videos, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started and take your video game to the next level. To download and install Camtasia, you will need to follow these steps. Here are the short and easy steps to download and install Camtasia. Go to the TechSmith website and download the setup file. Open the setup file and begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to install Camtasia on your computer. Open Camtasia and enter your registration information to activate the software. Now you are ready to start creating and editing videos with Camtasia. Note that you can use the free trial version of Camtasia before purchasing it. It's important to note that Camtasia is a paid software, and there is no legal way to obtain a free lifetime license for it. However, there are a few ways to use Camtasia for free. Free trial. TechSmith, the company that develops Camtasia, offers a free trial of the software. You can use the full version of the software for 30 days, and then you will have to purchase a license if you want to continue using it. Educational discount. If you are a student or a teacher, you may be eligible for an educational discount on Camtasia. You can check with the TechSmith website to see if you qualify. Freeware alternatives. There are many free video editing software that you can use as an alternative to Camtasia, such as OpenShot, DaVinci Resolve, Blender, HitFilm Express, etc. It's important to note that using cracked or pirated software is illegal and may harm your device. Also, it's not recommended by any means. Join our community of tech enthusiasts by subscribing to our channel and never miss out on new content.